Gold and silver both have erased all the gains for the day and have now come to the levels from where they have started the journey today. Now, what to expect from the rest of the day? Can we expect a fall from here? Can we expect gold and silver to trade negative? Or there is a possibility of a reversal? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit? Trading gold and silver today, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first update must have already subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the twice a day notifications. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold followed with silver. Watch. On the hourly charts, you can see gold is yet to break the support zone between 78 and 74. It is definitely a crucial support zone. Breaking below 74, we can look forward to 70, then 65, 64, and then sharp drop can be expected if it drops below 23, 64, 65. If you look at the hourly charts closely, you will find gold is coming out of the consolidation zone. It has found its support here at 2380, 78 as a stronger support, and now it is trying to. And thus, this break could be significant. First, we'll look into 2370 as a major support, and then 2364, 65, below which a stronger drop can be expected. MACD divergent and bearish stochastic dropping. RSI is also coming to oversold levels here. Coming to 2 likewise on the 2 hour charts, you can find out 4 to 5 candles got the support here intact at this zone about 2380, and now this candle is trying to come out. Thus this candle can be critical where we can see a major fall erasing most of the gains as it is trying to come out of the consolidation zone. Be watchful. Below 2370 further fall can be expected. In fact, as I've shared earlier in the day, 2374 76 was the zone. It has come to 74, which is indeed a very good entry for a good sell. If you look at the MACD crossing over for a sell, RSI and stochastic both dropping sharp. Coming to 3 hour chart. Likewise on the 3 hour charts, if we have seen it consolidating now, similar size of candle can be expected here. 2410 to 2380, almost $20 of move. Now it is breaking over here at 2380, so possibly it can try to move towards 2364, 65, or in fact lower levels are possible. Remember, it is trying to come out of the consolidation zone and it is trying to come out of this retracement channel. Thus, if it drops below 2364, 65, this can lead to a sharper fall. You have to be trading with caution. If you look at MACD, this is crossed over trading with divergence and bearishness, RSI dropping, stochastic oversold. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation is where you can find out. See, it has consolidated here, higher lows were seen, and this candle has given a breakout here. So we can expect it to continue for a while. We can expect it to move towards 2364, 65. And if it drops below this zone, then we can look forward to 2350 levels as the next target. Possibility is there. MACD divergent and bearish, stochastic dropping, RSI is dropping as well. Coming to daily charts, and before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of 31st mentorship batch starting first week of May. Register yourself now. In this batch, we share all the key tools, concepts, trading strategies, and the trade setups with the help of which you can trade comfortably and profitably. Do register for it and cherish the learning for life. Else, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram where trading as per the signals also you can benefit. Write an email or ping me on Telegram for any of your queries related to the services. Now, look at the daily. If you look at the daily chart, see what has been observed. Since yesterday, we have seen lower highs, lower lows there. Yesterday's candle tried to give a breakout with the support here, but it has failed to break past the highs. But today's candle given a breakout and now it is erasing most of it. If you look at these preceding candles, it is very important for gold to break below 2364, 65 zone, and if it does break below this zone, we can look forward to a sharper fall. Yes, be watchful. Below 2364, 65 is where we can look forward to a stronger fall. Look at the divergence of the price from the 20 period moving average. 20 period moving average sitting at around 2320. It is going to be a great support, but the divergence here calls for it to converge. Let's see if today is the day where gold tries to show a downward move. MACD crossing over here at the top, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI also coming out of the overbought zone, and stochastic has dropped here. So in all the indicators part, it suggests that there could be a red candle today. How that is going to be a question we need to see. Now, yes, as long as it stays below 2380, possibility of a drop or a sharper drop exists. We have to wait for it to give a break below 2370, 2364, 65, and furthermore, a sharper drop can be expected if it trades below 2364, 60. Now, on the upside, I will recommend a buy. If you see it is staying above 2386, that is the only level above which I will recommend you to buy. And if it trades about 2386, you can say it is reversing, and we can look forward to 94.95 as the first target, beyond which a stronger rise towards 2402 and higher levels can be expected. Be watchful. So simple, buy at 2384.85 levels and sell at 2374.75 levels. Now let's have a look at silver. Now see, silver on the early charts have come to the support levels 28.10, 28.20 zone. Very good support. Rather, in between these complete levels between 28 and 28.20, we have stronger support existing for silver. Only and only if now if it breaks below 28.10 and then $28 levels, you can expect further fall. So you can initiate a selling entry if you see silver. The higher prices of silver trading below 28.10. Yes, you can take a selling entry. Look at what is happening here. You can find out lower highs, lower lows, and thus below 28 is where major bearishness will be seen. MACD trying for sell, RSI and stochastic both trying to drop. Coming to 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour charts, this is trying to give a breakout, and thus if it breaks below 28.10 is where we can see stronger bearish momentum in silver here. MACD is divergent and bearish, RSI and stochastic both trying to drop. And on the 3 hour charts also similar observation is seen. See, it was trading with consolidation. It has failed to break beyond 28.40-60 zone, and now it has come to the downside towards 28.10, 28.20 levels. Very strong support exists here on the downside. But if you look at the movement, the sharper drop, retracement, and this candle can be of similar size, and thus if it breaks below $28 levels, we can expect a sharper drop. MACD here is bearish and RSI and stochastic both trying to drop. Similar observation on the 4 hour chart, but on the 4 hour charts it has come to take the support. See that, look at the multiple candles here. It has got support intact at these levels, thus it has to break below these levels, that is specifically below 28.10 and 28 is where the bears are waiting. MACD bearish, RSI and stochastic both are trying to trade bearish. Coming to daily, now look at daily chart. See, the candle already has formed a stronger, longer wick on the upside. It is trying to, now see, this could be a symmetrical candle. If it breaks below 28.10 and 27.90 levels, you can expect a sharper drop. In fact, 27.80, 27.50 levels are the next targets, and below that it may try to move towards the 20 period moving average sitting at around 27.40. Remember, the breakout beyond $28 levels is going to be critical here for silver, where we can look forward to a sharper fall. At the same time, on the upside, if you see silver trading about 28.40, if you see the lower prices about 28.40, you can buy. However, 28.50, 28.60, it needs to break, and if it breaks beyond 28.60 is where you can say that the bulls will take over towards 28.80, $29 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do watch the tomorrow's update with the where we are going to give the weekly forecast for the coming week for gold and silver. Do not miss to watch. Like, share, subscribe, and join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.